Why do we sneeze? This fascinating reflex helps our bodies keep us healthy. When tiny particles like dust, pollen, or even pepper tickle the inside of our noses, our bodies spring into action. The brain sends a quick message to the muscles in our chest, throat, and face, telling them to work together to get rid of the irritants. It takes a deep breath, and ah-choo. That's a sneeze. It's like a mini explosion of air that shoots out of your nose and mouth, carrying those bothersome particles along with it. So, the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember that it's just your body's way of saying, out with the bad stuff, and in with the good. Now breathe easy.